Productions here. Welcome back to another video. So I made this exact same video I'm going to make today a long time ago, but it was in really bad quality, and I've gotten more of these since then. So this video is going to be all of my LPS dogs, and I hope to make a series where it shows all of my LPS, like by different categories and such. So this is all of my LPS dogs. I'm going to go by category, and some of them have names, but some of them don't. So first I'm going to start with my German Shepherd. So I have this one, Kevin, of course. And then I also have this brown one with the black tips on the ears, face. I have two Dachshunds that are actually the same one, but I use them both as different characters. And I have a third one that I got at a second-hand place that had Sharpie all over it, so I'm going to be turning it into a custom. Greyhounds, I have Flower, they have this darker brown one. I apologize for all of the weird focusing going on in this video. I have this yellow one with blue on his face and green eyes. And then I have two corgis that are both different molds. So I have this that was during the when they brought back the Bobble, this style of LPS for a short time. And I also have this, it's the normal corgi mold for normal LPS corgi mold. It's brown. I have two Dalmatians that are of different molds. I have Vivian, that's this purple one, and then I also have this regular black and white Dalmatian. And then St. Bernards, I have this one that came with one of the LPS board games. And then I also have this St. Bernard. I have two poodles. This pink one from one of the mommy and baby sets. It has a little scarf. I have this purple and white one. Some other miscellaneous G2 pets. This purple dog. And of course we have Charlie. This one. Oh, this focusing is really bad. Then this bulldog. I have this bulldog. I have this husky. This little puppy. And this chihuahua. I have two walkables. There's this corgi one. And then I have this Dachshund one that the battery cover's messed up, so he doesn't actually walk. G4 ones. This Dalmatian. This corgi. And this purple border collie. And then I have some of the little smaller ones. Some of these are 2s, some are G4s, and some are G5s. But I have a bunch of the little smaller ones. This one, so I'm not quite sure whether it's a dog or a cat. I'm pretty sure it's a dog, so I'm including it in the dog video. I have this one with those sparkles. This poodle that has a little hat. This other small dog one. And I have 2 little dogs from the mommy and baby sets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to get some more LPS videos and just videos in general uploaded more frequently. See you in the next video. Bye!